In this video, you'll learn how to add Bitcoin to your Phantom wallet. This process involves several steps, including ensuring the Bitcoin network is enabled and receiving your Bitcoin from another wallet or exchange. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet in your web browser. You can do this by typing the relevant URL into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the wallet interface loads, you will see the home screen, which displays your assets and options. Next, verify that the Bitcoin network is enabled in your wallet. Look for a settings icon, usually found in the corner of the screen. Click on this icon and then navigate to the networks or assets section. Confirm that the Bitcoin network is listed and enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to activate it. Once you've confirmed the Bitcoin network is active, locate the Receive button on the home screen. This button is typically prominently displayed. Click on Receive to proceed to the next step. After clicking Receive, you will be presented with a list of assets available for receiving. Select Bitcoin from this list. This action will direct you to a screen showing your Bitcoin wallet address, which is essential for the next step. Now, you need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address. There should be a copy button next to the address. Click this button to ensure that the address is copied to your clipboard. It is crucial to use this exact address when sending Bitcoin. The next step involves sending Bitcoin from another wallet or exchange to the address you just copied. Open your external wallet or exchange, navigate to the send option, and paste your Phantom wallet address into the appropriate field. Ensure that the amount you are sending is correct before confirming the transaction. After you send the Bitcoin, wait for confirmation on the transaction. The time it takes for the Bitcoin to appear in your Phantom wallet can vary based on network traffic. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see the BTC reflected in your wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.